This class really help those that does not have the idea of calculus before. So this is the first class we'll be having. So we'll be solving this using first principle. So we are differentiating y with respect to x. So the first thing we'll be doing, there is a general equation used in solving first principle that I'll be writing on the board. So we f of x equals to limit the x approaches 0. We have fs plus change in x minus f of x all over change in x. So this is an equation we should know. This will be easy. So let's say this is what we are having. So what do we do to this kind of equation at first? So let's just assume we're having f of x equals to x squared. So we take increment of both sides. We take increment of both sides. How do we take increment? That means this side will increase, this side will also increase. So I'll be having f in bracket of x plus change in x. Likewise, I have for these two, all squared. So let's expand this side. If I expand this, I will have f in bracket of x plus change in x equals to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all squared. You'll be getting this equation if we expand this, and I think that should be easy for us. All right. The next thing we'll be doing from here is that we subtract both sides. You subtract both sides. Subtract both sides by f of x. So here we have f in bracket of x plus delta x minus f of x. Likewise, I have x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all squared minus this, and f of x is x squared. So we have x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all squared minus x squared. So this cancel. So we have 2x change in x plus change in x all squared for this. And don't forget it is equals to f like this. The next thing we do, the variable side by changing x all over changing x. Changing x, we cancel changing x in this. Likewise, this side. So we have 2x plus changing x and changing x squared, we have changing x because these have removed one, so we have one remaining. So don't forget, I'm still having these at the other side. So we take limit of both sides. We take limit of both sides. When we take limit of both sides, we have limit change in x approaches 0. So f of change in x minus fx all over the x. So giving us 2x. It means that anywhere you see change in x, after the variable side by change in x, will give us 0. So that's that. So 2x plus 0, the answer is 2x. That means when we differentiate x squared with respect to x, this is what we'll be having. Even when we have another equation that has an x cube, the same thing we did for this, that's what we'll be doing. So stay tuned as I'll be uploading the part 2 of first principle with another equation. Thanks for watching.